What's up guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan na mag-react sa bandang Mission Souls. Ito yung part 2 guys ng nireact natin kahapon. Yung pinost ng bandang Mission Souls sa kanilang page. Ito yung video na galing kay Animated Tyrone. Ayan. Follow nyo siya guys sa Facebook. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang doon guys yung post ng bandang Mission Souls. Makikita nyo yung kanyang page doon. Ayan, huwag na natin pagtagalin pa guys. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung cover nila ng Flowers ni Miley Cyrus. Acoustic version.
Built a home and watched it burn. Ooh, I didn't want to leave you. I didn't want to fight. Started to cry.
Ang daming alam na kanta ni ni Stacy. Pati Miley Cyrus pala kumakanta rin siya.
But then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Round my neck in the sand. Talk to myself for hours.
Napaka-smooth ng strumming ni Nisha dito, no?
Say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing. And I can hold.
Napaka-natural ng tunog ng acoustic tsaka yung mic ni Stacy. Talagang natural lang. Walang mga effects. Yan. Talagang maririnig nyo ng mabuti kung gaano kaganda yung boses ni Stacy at kung gaano kagaling mag-gitara si Nisha. Ayan, maraming salamat din pala guys sa nag-comment. Sa mga nag-comment kahapon kung saan lugar to guys, sa ano daw to, parang tuktok ng bundok. Parte dyan sa Cebu. Ayan, ang ganda ng lugar oh. Maraming namamasyal.
Cherry red, that's the roses that you have. No remorse, no regrets. I forgive every.
Mukhang mataas nga na lugar oh. Langit na lang yung matatanaw mo doon sa ano. Sa bandang likuran guys, oh, mayroong mga tao namamasyal.
Word you said. Ooh, I didn't want to leave you. I didn't want to fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I could buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself.
O, diba guys, ang galing din gumamit ng acoustic guitar ni Nisha. Hindi lang siya pang electric guitar guys.
For hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own head.
Sa mga bago pa lang na nakapanood sa bandang Mission Souls, guys, dalawa pa lang sila dito, si Stacy at si Nisha, yung kanilang vocalist at lead guitar. Ayan, panoorin nyo guys yung bandang Mission Souls, makikita nyo doon guys kung gaano sila kagagaling tumugtog at kumanta yung kanilang family band.
I can love me better than you can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better.
Sayang lang wala si Ice dito no para mag beatbox acoustic.
I can love me better, baby. Ooh, I didn't want to leave you. I didn't want to fight. Started to
Yung mga tao sa likod talagang focus sa panonood kay Nisha tsaka kay Stacy.
cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for
Ganda nung parang mall yata yun. Nando sa may banda likuran. Ganda ng lugar.
hours. Yeah, say things you don't understand.
Ayun, si Mami Sheena. Nagip ng camera.
I can take myself dancing, yeah, and I can hold my own head. Yeah, I can love me better than, yeah, I can love me
Ayun oh, bumirit pa si Stacy. Taas ng boses na no.
Then you can let me
Ayun oh, palakpakan yung mga tao. Grabe. Di ba guys, napakalupit ng magkapatid na ito. Hindi lang sila pang electric guitar. Lalo si Nisha, no? And maraming nag-aabang na gumamit din siya ng acoustic guitar. Ayan, dito makikita nyo sa video na to kung gaano siya kagaling sa acoustic. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nilang i-upload. At kung mahilig ka naman sa mga ganito reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka pa sa mga susunod pa nating i-react na video ng bandang Mission Souls. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.